can see all the orders he received, okay? I don't know. Let's assume that one of my customers bought 35 orders a year in my store. How do I see the orders of this customer of mine here? I go to the admin panel, click on Pro menu, and I can see the orders technology. I press on everything and it gives me the report like what you saw before with all the orders in the store of all the customers. Otherwise here I black them out. You can choose which user you want the order history and it generates the report for you. You can also know how much money your customers spend there precisely and so on. If you report with everything instead, the report is generated and you can save it to CSV, save it to PDF, or forward it to the